How to buy BTC on Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can buy BTC, or better known as Bitcoin, on Trust Wallet. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, buying Bitcoin on Trust Wallet is very simple to do so. You just have to launch the Trust Wallet app, log in using your biometrics such as your fingerprint or your Face ID. And once you have done that, you will see this type of interface where you can basically just tap the buy option over here. Now, BTC stands for Bitcoin, so you can use the search bar. If you don't find it, usually it is going to be at the top because Bitcoin is the most popular. So now you just have to enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy 100 US dollars equivalent of Bitcoin. You'll see how much Bitcoin that you'll get. For $100, I'm going to get 0.00228 Bitcoin. So depending upon how much you'd like to buy, select that, tap on the buy option with Google Pay or credit card or Apple Pay with your respective payment method, and then you'll have successfully bought BTC on Trust Wallet. This way you can buy BTC on Trust Wallet. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.